Today we're going to be taking a look at this Apple Watch charging stand made by Lamicall. This watch stand is made of 4mm aluminum alloy. Underneath the watch stand is an anti-slip silicone rubber. It's compatible with all Apple Watch series starting from Series 1 all the way up to the latest Series 4 watches. It features a 45-degree angle so that when you place your watch on the charging stand, it gives you a real nice viewing angle. Now that we've gone over all the specs, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Hey there, my name is Adrian with ProjectRamos.com and dealsbypr.com. On this channel, I do tech reviews, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Get a survey card from the manufacturer. Here's the stand. It is made of aluminum. The underside has this rubber piece here that prevents it from sliding around when you have this on your desktop or on your nightstand. There's also a rubber piece here where the charging pad goes for the Apple Watch. And on the back we'll get a couple cutouts here, one for the charging cable and one for the watch band. And the stand does feature this 45-degree angle so that when you have your watch on this charging stand, you can still have a viewing angle while it's charging. Installation of the charging cable is very simple. First thing you're going to notice is that there is a notch cut out right underneath here. So what you got to do is you got to take your charging pad and place it underneath and route your cable through that cutout notch. So all you got to do is just push this in, and that's it. The charging cable is now installed, and then the rest of the cable can just easily go through the cutout on the back of the stand here. And to demonstrate that this is working, we're going to go ahead and take a portable battery. We're going to plug in the charger there. What we're going to do is we're going to take our iWatch, and I've got a Series 3 iWatch, and we're going to place it over the charger, and you can see that it immediately begins to charge. Now, the larger cutout is for the watch band, so that's designed very well there. And as you can tell, as the watch is sitting on the stand, it does hold it at a 45-degree angle, which makes it real nice to be able to view your watch and any notifications that might be coming through while it's on the charging stand. And you can also, as you're able to see there, you can simply just tap on the screen to be able to look at the time. And being that it has a rubber piece underneath the stand will hold in place and not slide around while it's on your desktop or on your nightstand. Now that we've unboxed and taken a look at this watch stand, let's go over our final thoughts of this device. Let's talk about the build and design of this watch stand. It is made of aluminum alloy, 4mm thick, so this stand feels real sturdy. This does not feel like it's going to bend easily at all. It feels like a very premium product. I think the manufacturer did a great job at designing this watch stand. It's a very simple stand, however, it does feature some really cool things such as this cutout in the back that's going to allow you to route the charging cable through the back of the stand so that it keeps everything looking real clean when you have this set up either on your desk or on your nightstand. And then it also features this larger cutout here so that when you do have your watch set on top of here, you can easily route the watch band right through this large cutout so that nothing gets in the way of either the watch or the charging cable when you have this stand in use. So overall, I think the manufacturer did a great job with the design and the build of this watch stand. Now let's talk about the setup and operation of the stand. As you were able to see in our demonstration, setup is very easy. All you got to do is just drop your charger right into the charging slot here. And there's a notch for the cable, so it allows you to easily line that up, pop that in, and once it's in place, it fits very secure. Then all you got to do is just route the cable right through the cable cutout there, and you're good to go. So overall, setup and operation, very simple, very straightforward. Now let's talk about the million-dollar question. Is the Lamicall Apple Watch charging stand worth your hard-earned money. As of the recording of this video, this watch stand sells for $7.99 on Amazon. I think it's a great bargain for the type of product that you're going to get. At $7.99, you're getting a real premium, really well-built product. It looks very stylish. The black color finish on this looks very elegant, whether it's going to be sitting on top of your desk or on your nightstand. And as far as the design goes, I really love how the manufacturer designed this in a way where the charging cable gets tucked away very easily, and the fact that it has this real large notch here, so it allows the Apple Watch band to be routed through there and keep it'll keep everything looking real sleek, real elegant on top of your desk or your nightstand. Overall, $7.99, I think it's a great bargain, great value for what you're getting out of this watch stand. This is going to complete my review of the Lamicall Apple Watch charging stand. If you found some value in this video, I would appreciate it if you were to hit the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, that way you get notified the next time we upload a new video. And on that note, I will see you on the next review.